Welcome back, everyone. I'm John. This is Moon High FX, his channel, and we are back for another crypto lesson. So this is lesson 4, and let's get started. Last time we talked about how to make sure that your trading portfolio stays big and how to make sure that your budget you can trade a lot with it. Today we're going to talk about the trade styles that you have. What kind of trader are you? So important, these contents of my crypto trades lessons are only intended to teach everyone something new. Always do your own research. This is no financial advice, invest or tax advice. So that's it. Let's take a look what kind of trader you can be. So we have 3 trading styles. So we have 3 types of trading. One, that's scalp trader. A scalp trader is somebody that does minute trades, hour trades, or at least and maximum a day in a trade. So that one really goes in depth to the market and wants to go like 10 trades a day, but makes very small percentages upwards. And I can say that's not easy to do. Why is it not so easy? One, it takes a lot of screen time, so you have to be like 8 hours a day to 10 hours a day after your screen. You always have to end your trades by the end of the day, because the market can go very fast against you again, because you have no idea what the market will do if you scalp trade, because you are in a time zone with the chart reading way too low, like a minute chart or something like that, or a half an hour chart or an hour chart. It's not easy to put support and resisting on that, so that's why it's maybe easier, not so an easy way to trade. A lot of people start with this part, but if I can give you a pointer, don't do that. Maybe if you want to do it on paper, so that you don't really have to use your own money and that you can see if you are good at it, yes or no. The next one is swing trader, or mid-long term holder also. So what is a swing trader? A swing trader is once you have kind of your portfolio into it, so maybe if like 20% in a swing trade, that means that you swing really completely out of a cryptocurrency. So if you see that one cryptocurrency has a good price, you swap the total amount of your money into that currency, you let it go up like an x amount percentages, the one that you have written down in your crypto plan, and then you swing back out of it once you reach that percentage and go to the next one. You can also do that straight away to USDT, keep it there, and the next time you see a nice chance to put it another swing trade, you put it back in and then you go back out. This is not daily trading really, because the market does not have every day a good swing trade, so that means more once a week or maybe once a month or even less. That depends how the market is going really. And then the third one is long-term trader. So the long-term trader is one that can keep your trades open or keep your coins really for a whole long time. So what do I mean with a long time? That means between a year and 5 years at least, that you can be in a coin until you have reached your amount, X amount that you wanted to gain, and then you step out of it. And then because you're happy then that you have gained that much, and the rest is then money from the house itself, and let it play and let it go like it wants to go. Then you also have like a mid-half long-term trader. That means that you have to be in a trade like for 3 months or something like that. And that depends how you do it. It's a bit like swing trading also. So it also depends on who you are and what kind of trader you want to be. Because not everybody has a lot of time on his hands and wants to take a lot of time to do this. So it depends on who you are. Pick one of them. You can do 2 also, but scalp trading I would not recommend. So swing trading and long-term trading are the ones the easiest, and then you also have a holding portfolio normally, so that's even longer. But those are the ones that I would pick to start with trading with. It's good to get a skill into it then, and to take a look and to go further into it. So you got also portfolio types. That's also an important one for here. You have 3 types of holdings. The long term, 5 to 10 years. This has to be like long term, so that's like holding. So that makes 45% of your total portfolio. Then you got a medium long term. That's between 6 months and 1 year. That's like 25% of your portfolio. the short term is like from 1 month to a year. That's like 10% of your portfolio. So with the mid long term, I mean really that's like a swing portfolio. If you have a total of 100%, that's how I would divide it. And extra stable coins, so that means that you have 20% of your total amount always in stable coins. So if the market does something, that you are really straight away getting into it, and that you have some spares at the side, so that you always are happy that you can use it when you need it, or that you can go in and trade when you need it. And the long terms, you never watch that really. These you really just let it be, because long-term trade you can be very long into it, so you don't have to watch the market all days. You just have to have a patient in that one. And with the rest of the portfolios, there we're gonna make money with. So the long term we just leave, and the rest will make more money for the long term. And then we add constantly more in the long term, and then we make sure that it stays on 45% and then divide it back up. So there was a very small exercise, this one, but it's a very important one. So pick one, how you're gonna trade, make up your portfolio. You can also put that in CoinHeco or in CoinMarketCap. It doesn't really matter what you're gonna put it into, but or put it on paper. I would rather that you have it put on paper or on an Excel file, so that you can put the coins that you hold, the coins that you midline hold, and also stick to that also. So if you put that in, stick to it. If you see the percentages change, add it to it, change it, take some out, take some profit, make sure that you're constantly almost around the same percentage that you have to be. And then you can do like once a month to check if it's still okay. If it's not okay, adjust it a bit and put it back like you want it to be. So thank you for your attention. Much love to everyone. Smile and be thankful. Love each other. And until the next lesson. Ciao.